Ikon here, I'm really impressed with that. Really impressed with this right here. Might get another one. But with these motors and these props that they sold with it, I mean, it's perfect. How you like me now? How you like me now? How you like me now? Hey, where'd you get that icon from? Where'd you get that icon from? Where'd you get that icon from? I got it from my daddy. Pilot Bernard Fox. Is my daddy. Yeah. That dude's my daddy, man. Tell him, Ikon. Ikon says da 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 da. Got it from my dad. Da 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 da. Superman, hey, hey. I kinda got it from his daddy. That'd be me. Little sucker was born on the 3rd of this month. Yes, sir. Coming in at 14.7, folks. Little Ikon's a trip. Anyway, I grew up on my porch, and wailing, and failing. I remember everything.